Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to film a quick little video for you guys. We have a new palette from ColourPop and this is the C-3PO palette. This is the next edition in the little Star Wars palettes that they have. We have the Grogu one, we have the Mandalorian one, the Darth Vader one, so now we have the C-3PO one. I think it's so cute. I really love C-3PO. I always tell my boyfriend, like when we're watching Star Wars and stuff, I'm like, that's literally me. I am C-3PO, just like running around with anxiety, always stressed. I'm literally C-3PO. So I was super excited to see that they were coming out with a palette for him. So it's just the palette launching. It's launching on the 27th at 10 a.m. PST. As always, you guys can use my code. It's just KATRINA and it'll save you 10% off the ColourPop website. So this is what the palette looks like. This is what the outside. I love that he shines when the light hits it. And then when you open it up, we have a cute little 9-pan. There is a mirror in here. We have C-3PO and R2-D2 right here on the corner. And it says beep boop beep. I love that. And then this is what the inside looks like. Really pretty, definitely, you know, it's C-3PO. It's what you would expect from a C-3PO palette, you know? There are a lot of golds and yellowy tones in here, but there are some more like warmer, like some more brown shades in here to make it a little bit more wearable if you are scared of yellow eyeshadow or anything like that. I know that they have the yellow, I think that the Honey palette. That one, at first glance, it looks kind of similar. I will say that this one is definitely more wearable than Honey. So this is what the palette looks like. That is the outside and the inside. I'll read you guys some of the names. We have Bolt, Droid, Tatooine, Golden One, Translator, Etiquette, Companion, 6 million, and Programming. All of these seem to be eye safe. There are no asterisks on any of the shades. So there is one Super Shock shadow in here. The little card is so cute. It says, this 9-pan galactic palette is inspired by everyone's favorite protocol droid. Just like C-3PO, we want you to stay simply golden. Let our palette be your go-to companion when programming an out-of-this-world look. You'll stand out in any galaxy from every shimmer, sparkle, and hue. It's a blend of warm golds and bright yellows in matte, metallic, and matte sparkle finishes, with the bolt of our Super Shock shadow. Look is sure to beam at its brightest with gold and silver flecks. So cute. I love that. Like I said, I just wanted to film a quick little video on this, so I just wanted to get some close-ups and swatches, and I did do a tutorial for you guys using the palette as well. So this is the look that I came up with right here. If you guys want to see how I got this look right here and to hear my final thoughts on this cute little palette, then just keep watching. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and jump into the palette. I already have like my entire face done since it's just the palette. I just wanted to focus on the eyes. Start off with the shade Tatooine. This one right here. Perfect little transition shade. I'm just going to pack this on and then just blend that up towards the crease. It almost kind of looks like my skin tone, but like a little tad bit warmer. So it makes like a really good transition shade. And it's almost kind of like the color of sand, which is kind of perfect for this shade. I'm gonna go into Companion. It is this shade. This is like one of my favorite shades of like that yellowy brown kind of color. I love this just to throw on all over the eyes. So I kind of want to just put this everywhere. I love these like yellowy brown tones. They're my absolute favorite to wear on the eye. I feel like this shade is a little bit more wearable than people think it is. So since a lot of these golds are more like on the yellowy gold side, I typically don't think that yellowy golds look that good on me. But I do think that like the yellowy brown tone does is a little bit more wearable. So I think that this actually works out in my favor, since I don't know if it's not that I don't think they look good on me, it's just I feel like they don't look good. Like I don't feel the most comfortable in like yellowy gold. I like more of a like champagne-y gold on my skin tone. But I feel like this shade will actually tie in the other shades really nicely. I love this shade so much. Again, these are just like those type of shades that I like to just throw on all over the eye. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with Programming now. It's this dark brown. I'm gonna take this right at the lash line and just smoke out that area and bring this in a little bit at this outer corner. I'm not going to take it too high up. I just kind of want that smokiness to be right at that lash line and a little bit on this outer corner, but I don't think I want to bring it too much in to the crease. This makes like the lash line look super smoky and sultry. I love doing that so much. I'm sure if you guys watch any of my tutorials, you know I love doing that little smoky outer liner area. I feel like it works so well on my eye shape. And it really brings together a look for me. The lid, I think I'm going to go into a Translator. It is the more yellow gold This one's more of like an orangier gold. I like this one a lot. This one would be like my more go-to, but I do want to try this one just because it does I feel like it's like the C-3PO gold, okay? So I'm just going to take this with my finger and just kind of put that on the inner part of my lid. Okay, again, I'm not like a huge fan of yellowy golds like this. If it is a yellow gold, it has to be like a very specific color of yellow gold. And I think this one actually looks really pretty. So I'm just going right on the lid, and I'm going a little bit over that brown shade that we put down. So it just kind of ties really nicely together. Taking a little bit of that shade with a brush, and I just dampened my brush a little bit to just kind of intensify that gold right here. Just adding that like touch of shadow that's dampened really like intensifies the look so much. And like I said, I usually don't like these colors, like this color gold on me, but I think it's so pretty. So just taking that companion shade and putting this on the lower lash line. I'm kind of blowing this shade out just because I really like these shades to be blown out a lot. So I'm taking it a little bit further down. And then I'm going to take Programming, which is that dark brown, basically just mimicking the top to the bottom. So I'm just taking that dark brown on the outer part right here and connecting that to the top. With a little bit of a smaller brush, I'm taking that right at the closest part of the lash line, like right here. Still that same brown, I'm just like really getting closer to the lash line. And for my inner corner, I'm taking Bolt. It is, I think this is a Super Shock. Ooh, that's actually really pretty. It looks like a nice, like pretty white in the pan, but once you put it on, it's like a really pretty bright gold. Just like that, I'm gonna go ahead and put on my lashes really quick, and then I'll come back and give you guys my final thoughts. Hey guys, so this is the finished look. If you guys are wondering what's on my lips, I have the Makeup Forever Anywhere Caffeine Lip Liner, and then the Makeup Forever Artist Matte, the liquid lipsticks, the new liquid lipsticks. This one's in the shade Immortal Rosewood. I love this color combo. It's so pretty. I feel like it really balances out the eyes. So let me give you guys my final thoughts on this cute little palette. So I actually really do like this. Like I said earlier, I'm not a huge fan of yellowy gold on my skin tone, but I think if I wear them with not so yellowy, like bright yellow, like crease colors and stuff, I think it's actually more wearable on me. I don't know why, I just don't like the way it looks on me sometimes, but I actually really like this look. I feel super pretty, and I really love that crease color that I used. But overall, I think like if you like Star Wars and you have like the other Star Wars palettes and stuff, I definitely would say pick this up. Is this the most like original palette we've seen ever? No. This kind of looks like the yellow 9pan palette that ColourPop has already, although it is more wearable than that palette, I will say, because I don't like the yellow one that much. Like the brown tones in here make it a lot more wearable. I definitely see myself reaching for this more than like some of the other yellow palettes that ColourPop has. I really like the crease shades in here. The browns are really pretty. The gold is actually really pretty. This is such a cute little addition to the other Star Wars palettes. If you're a Star Wars fan, I feel like you won't be disappointed. It's a really pretty palette, and I think this one's definitely, I know a lot of people love these yellowy gold shades, so I would say that this one's probably one of the more wearable ones of the Star Wars palettes, but I definitely think this is a cute little addition to it. I love C-3PO, so I love it a lot. Anyways, leave me a comment down below. Are you guys gonna pick this up? Which one of the Star Wars palettes are your favorite? I want to know what you guys think. But anyways, I hope that you guys liked this video, and I hope that this video was helpful for you. If you guys did like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and I will see you guys in my next video.